YouView offers access to the very best entertainment, and it's important to us that all our users can find the TV that they're looking for. For our partially sighted users, we offer a number of features. The first is our interactive zoom feature, which allows you to zoom in across the TV service in areas like the guide or the on-demand menus, making everything bigger and clearer to read. Simply press the zoom button on the remote control once to zoom in. When zoomed in, you can still navigate around the menus and options like you usually would. If you press the zoom button again, you can adjust the view to move to a different part of the screen. To reduce the need to do this, we have designed the feature to zoom into the most important parts of the screen depending on where you are. We've also designed a high-contrast user interface. This means you can change the colour scheme of the YouView menus from blue and white to black and white for extra clarity. Audio feedback is also available. When this setting is turned on, audio tones are generated to inform you that a key press on the remote control has been received by the YouView box. You can also change the volume of the audio feedback separately from the main volume to a volume that suits you. For our blind users, audio description is easily accessed using the AD button on the remote control, whether you're watching live TV or on demand. In addition to the features on a YouView box, YouView's free mobile app, which is available on iOS and Android, works fully with text-to-speech. This helps blind and partially sighted viewers easily find a program in the guide and make a recording. On our remote control, we have a subtitles button so that users can turn subtitles on or off whether watching live or on-demand content. For users who may struggle to use the remote control or remote control buttons, we've enabled YouView to work with keyboards, whether that's a household keyboard or a specific accessibility keyboard, such as the Monster 2 or the Clevy. These can be plugged straight into the YouView box using the USB socket, and you can download keyboard maps from support.youview.com to show exactly which keys to press. For users with more severe disabilities, Grid 3 compatibility allows control of the box using various inputs, such as eye gaze, switches, head pointers, a touchscreen, or mouse. For users with cognitive disorders, we've made sure you can now turn off the transparency on the guide to remove potential distractions when you're trying to navigate and use YouView. There is also the option to turn off channel logos in the guide for those who may prefer to see text instead of images. For more information about accessibility or any of the other features on YouView, please visit us at support.youview.com.